In this video, I will show you how to create Can's dented mockup. First, choose Pen tool. Choose the area you want to cover graphic. Press Ctrl Enter. Press Ctrl J. Choose Rectangle tool. Reduce opacity. Choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T. Choose Distort. Choose Warp. Press Enter. Double-click. Choose Place Embedded. Press Ctrl S. Choose Multiply. Choose Create Clipping Mask. Choose Blending option. Hold Alt key. I'm done. Before and after. Don't forget to like this video, and thank for watching.